Hello students, welcome to Geometry School. Students, today I will get you the current affairs of the month May, and this is part 4. Okay, this is part 4. In each part I cover 25 questions, 25 questions, and in a whole month I covered for 25 into 4, that is 100 questions. And these questions are important for RIMC exam. You have noticed the RIMC exam that was happened on 4th of June. Most of the current affair questions came from our video. We have uploaded the video that from which date, which video the question came. You can notice, and there are so many students who uh, who told us that, sir, your current affair helped us a lot during the exam. Okay, now the exam, next time the exam will be held in December, and it has been noticed that around 1 year current affair came in the exam. Okay, so it is very important. You have to remember these 6 months and next 6 months. You have to be very updated about the current affairs. RMS exam will be held in January. RIMC exam will be held in December, and Sainik School exam will be held in January. So all the three exam will get benefited from these current affairs questions. Okay, the medium of the language will be in English. So let's start. Our orientation classes for the foundation batch will start from 10th of June. So I suggest most of the students should join this orientation class, because in this class we will discuss the exam strategy for the December exam. Complete strategy will be discussed in this orientation class from our whole faculties. All the faculty will be available in the orientation class, and they will discuss how to ace the RIMC exam that will held in December session. And this is our hostel facility. You can avail any facility like a live book, a demo hostel, recorded mock test from our official website. Foundation batch will start from 10th of June. So last time has come. Now it is very important for you that join this foundation batch if you want to crack the RIMC. If you want to time pass, then no need. If you are a serious aspirant, then you can join foundation batch. This is our hostel facility. You can join our hostel facility from dialing these numbers. This is our official number. You should dial this number and take proper inquiry about official our hostel facility. If this number doesn't connect, you can call on this number 9528827121. Okay, next question. Next, this is our QR code for Telegram group. Just scan this QR code and join the Telegram group. How you can take live classes? Dial on these numbers and you can take RIMC, RMS, Sainik School live classes. First 2 live classes will be free for you, and then later you will be charged if you continue with the live class course. These are our recorded courses. These are our mock test series. These are mock tests. So today we will cover the part 4 of the month May 2022, and in each part I cover 25 questions. In whole month I cover 25 into 4, that is 100 questions. Okay, so recently the RIMC exam that was happened on 4th of June, you have noticed that most of the question came from our current affairs sections, if the question is of current affair. And we initiated 2 to 3 series like a science series, Mahayak series. So around 45 questions directly came from our series. Okay, so last time I gave you a burning question. Burning question was Kingston is the capital city of. So Kingston is the capital city of Jamaica. Kingston is the capital city of Jamaica. And Spain capital is Madrid. Belgium capital is Brussels. Seychelles capital is Victoria. And we do a military exercise with Seychelles, that is Lamitye. We India do a military exercise with Seychelles, that is Lamitye. Next question. Today's question number 1, very important. I gave 5 star to this question, 5 star. Okay, this is very important. Who is the author of the novel Tomb of Sand? Tomb of Sand. The correct answer is Gitanjali Shri. Gitanjali Shri. And why this question is important? Because this novel has won International Booker Prize. International Booker Prize. International Booker Prize. Booker Prize 2022 won by this novel? Tomb of Sand. And Gitanjali Siri is a Hindi writer. She is a Hindi writer. And actually, International Booker Prize is given in to any novel that is translated from any international language to English. Like as this novel has been translated from Hindi to English by which person? Daisy. This person is very important. Daisy Rockwell. She translated this novel from Hindi to English, and any novel that is translated from international language to English, this the award is given to that particular novel. Okay, so International Booker Prize is won by 2022 Gitanjali Siri. For both the question is important, because the question can be asked in this way: Gitanjali Siri, which novel is written by Gitanjali Siri? So this question can be come in option also. And Tomb of Sand is written by Gitanjali Siri, and it is converted by Daisy Rockwell in English. Okay, and Tomb of Sand is a story of 80-year-old woman who slips into deep depression when her husband dies. Okay, this is a novel whose husband dies. Actually, Gitanjali Siri, no, it is a novel about a woman whose husband dies and she went into deep depression. Okay. These are some. Okay, here I want to clear one confusion, that this is Booker Prize. Booker Prize is different and International Booker Prize is different. Booker Prize is Man Booker Prize. Man Booker Prize. Booker Prize means actually it is this prize, Booker Prize, is given to those novels who are written in English. Only English language novel it is given. Okay, so we have certain important novels and authors. You have to Enough Free State, V.S. Naipaul, Midnight Children, Salman Rushdie, God of Small Thing, Arundhati Roy, Inheritance of Laws, Kiran Desai, Arvind Adiga. And they have won these Booker Prize in the year 1971, 81, 1997, 2006 and 2000. These all novels are important, but this is the first time any Indian author won the International Booker Prize. Okay, if I talk about Booker Prize, so we have won around 5 times Booker Prize. These are the authors, but in International Booker Prize, this is the first time. Okay, Gitanjali Siri won the International Booker Prize. Is observed as World Turtle Day across the India. So World Turtle Day across India, no, across the world. It should be across the world. World Turtle Day. So World Turtle Day is 23rd of May. 23rd of May. And what is the theme? Yes, theme is celebrate. Theme is celebrate. Okay, theme is celebrate. English Premier League 2021-22 session has been won by which team? So actually English Premier League is related to football. It is a game, it is a league related to football, because in RIMC exam, now this time the question was very awkward, very strange question. But you should have, one question was very awkward and one question was very genuine, like a Sultan Ajlan Shah Hockey Cup. So the question was very genuine, but one question was Baines, and actually the tournament was related to cricket. So English Premier League is a football tournament, and which team won this session? The session is won by Manchester City. Manchester City, and it is a English Football League system, a league club of 20 teams. English Premier League, like as IPL. IPL is a league of 10 teams. In the similar way, the English Premier League is a club of 20 teams. Okay, 20 teams. Next question. World highest weather station is being installed by National Geographic Society experts on. So where world highest weather station is being installed? That is Mount Everest. Mount Everest. Correct answer is Mount Everest. And what is the height of Mount Everest? It is 8848.86. This is the exact height of Mount Everest. This is the highest mountain peak in Himalaya region in the world. And which is second one? Second one is K2. K2. And K2 is also known as Godwin Austen. This is the second one. And third one is Kanchenjunga. Third one is Kanchenjunga. And at which height this weather station is installed? It is installed at 8830 meter. Just just few meter below the Mount Everest highest point, that is 8830 meters. Okay, next question. What was the venue of Quad Summit 2022? So this time the question was asked about which of the countries is not a member of Quad. So all these 4 countries are the member of Quad. So the venue of Quad Summit 2022 is Japan. Capital is Tokyo. Correct answer is Tokyo. Okay, and Quad is quadrilateral. What is the full form of Quad means quadrilateral security dialogue. Quadrilateral security dialogue. Okay, it is a summit of quadrilateral security dialogue, and 4 countries are the member of this Quad group. One is Australia, number 2 is Japan, India and USA, and they conduct a joint military exercise named as Malabar. Okay, and you have to remember the prime ministers or chief of these nations. Australia, new prime minister is Anthony Albanese. Fumio Kishida. India, Prime Minister Modi. USA, Joe Biden. These are the 4 head of their particular nations. Okay, you have to remember. Australia capital Canberra, Japan Tokyo, India New Delhi, USA Washington DC. Next question. 4th edition of Coordinated Patrol, CORPAT full form is Coordinated Patrol, naval exercise was conducted in May 2022 between India and Bangladesh. What is the capital of Bangladesh? Bangladesh capital is Dhaka. Taka, TAKA, Taka is the currency, and there is an important organization which is headquartered in Bangladesh capital Dhaka, that is BIMSTEC. This question has been asked in RIMC. Bay of Bengal Initiative Multi-Sectoral Technical, this is the complete full form. Technical Economic Cooperation, I think. Okay, Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation. So this question has been asked in RIMC exam that was held on 4th of June. So and what is the old name of Sri Lanka? Ceylon. Okay, France capital is Paris. Indonesia capital Jakarta, but they are trying to establish new capital, that is Nusantara. Okay, Nusantara. Understand? And Indonesia is the largest archipelago in the world. Largest archipelago. Archipelago means group of island. Indonesia is the largest archipelago in the world. So next question. India's first 1 million all women ASHA workers were awarded and honored by WHO. What is the last A in ASHA? Actually, there is a group of health workers known as ASHA group. Okay, you notice that at your home the ASHA workers came, and so WHO awarded 1 million ASHA health workers. So what is last A? Last A is activist. So what is the complete full form of ASHA? ASHA complete full form is accredited. A means accredited, disaccredited. Okay, social health activist. This is the full form. Accredited social health activist. This is the complete full form. Okay, this is the complete full form of ASHA. And why they honored? They were honored for their crucial role in linking the community with the health system and ensuring those living in rural poverty can access primary health services. So basically, they help the poor people to access the health services. Okay, so and where who is the chief of WHO? Because he has been reappointed as the chief, that is TAG. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus is the chief of WHO, World Health Organization is headquartered in Geneva. It was founded on 7th April 1948. That's why we observed 7th April as a World Health Day. Okay, these are some important information you have to remember. Next question. Who has become the new Lieutenant Governor of Delhi? So, Anil Baijal has resigned. So, the new Governor of Delhi is Vinay Kumar Saxena. Vinay Kumar Saxena. And he is the current chairman of Khadi and Village KVIC, Khadi and Village Industry Commissions. He is the current chairman of Khadi and Village Industry Commission. And Vinay Kumar Saxena replaced Anil Baijal. R.K. Mathur is the Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh. Who is the Chief Minister of Delhi? Arvind Kejriwal. And Arvind Kejriwal belongs to Aam Aadmi Party. Aam Aadmi Party have their government in two states. One is Delhi and another is Punjab, where the Chief Minister is Bhagwant Mann. Next question. Who won the PGA Championship 2022? So first you have to know about which game PGA Championship is associated. So PGA full form is Professional Golfer Association. Professional Golfer. So now you can Golfer Association. Now you can guess, you can tell that the championship is related to golf. So, and who has won the PGA Championship 2022? It is won by Justin Thomas. Justin Thomas. The correct answer is no. It's not Tiger Woods. It's Justin Thomas. D is the right answer. And PGA Championship is an annual golf tournament. Annual golf tournament. Actually, it is conducted by PGA Association of America. Okay, it is conducted by America. It is hosted. Okay, it is conducted by America. PGA. National Health Authority (NHA) launched revamped Aabha mobile app. Aabha mobile app. What is H in Aabha? So H is health. H is health. So what is the full form of Aabha? Aabha is A means Ayushman, B means Bharat, H means health, A means account. Ayushman Bharat Health Account. This is Aabha. It enables any person to create an Aabha address that can be linked with 14-digit Aabha generated number. Actually, it will be it will treat like an account number. You submit, you deposit money, you withdraw money, and maintain your whole year transactions. In the same way, you can maintain your health related transactions, health related inquiry, health related information in Aabha account. Okay, B is the right answer. World Thyroid Day. Thyroid Awareness Day is celebrated every year on. So the correct answer is 25th of May. 25th of May. Next question. It's not you, it's your thyroid. Okay, it's not you, it's your thyroid. Who became the first woman officer to join Army Aviation Corps as combat aviator? So the first woman officer who have Army Aviation Corps, that is Abhilasha Barak. Abhilasha Barak. Correct answer is Abhilasha Barak. And she hails from Haryana. Okay, she hails from Haryana. Next question. Foundation batch will start from 10th of June. I suggest most of the students should join this, because if the RIMC chance, you missed the RIMC chance, that will never come. If you think that I will appear in the RIMC exam in the 10th, after 10th class, then not benefit for you. So I suggest you join RIMC foundation batch and make your journey to cracking the RIMC very easy. Okay. Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated India's biggest drone festival. In which city? The answer is New Delhi. The answer is New Delhi. And New Delhi Lieutenant Governor is Vinay Kumar Saxena. Vinay Kumar Saxena, new governor. And at which place this in Delhi it was the drone festival was held at Pragati Maidan. Pragati Maidan. India's first lavender festival inaugurated by Dr. Jitendra Singh at which place? So lavender is lavender or lavender festival, lavender revolution or purple revolution. We call it purple revolution. Okay. So it was held at Bhadarwa. Bhadarwa in Jammu. Bhadarwa in Jammu. Okay. Doda district, Jammu. So correct answer is option number A. Manoj Kumar Sinha is the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir. Has become the first metro city to get its own biodiversity register. So the correct answer is Kolkata Metro. Kolkata Metro. Chief Minister of West Kolkata is the capital city of West Bengal. Kolkata is also known as City of Joy. Chief Minister is Mamata Banerjee. Jagdeep Singh Dhankad is the Governor of West Bengal. World first nano urea liquid plant. Nano urea liquid plant was inaugurated by PM Modi. So it was inaugurated in Gujarat. It was inaugurated in Gujarat, and it was this nano liquid urea plant was created by developed by IFFCO, largest cooperative company. Okay, IFFCO means Indian Farmer Fertilizer Cooperative Limited. And what is nano liquid plant is actually when you recently we use one bag of urea, but instead of one bag, now this one bag will be converted in one bottle. Okay, this one bag of urea will be converted in one bottle of urea. This is the right answer. Who has been reappointed as the Director General of WHO? So Chief of WHO is Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus. He has been appointed as second five-year terms of WHO. WHO headquarters is Geneva, and it was founded on 7th April 1948. That's why 7th April is observed World Health Day. And who is this? This is the Chief of International Labour Organization, Antonio Guterres. Antonio Guterres. David Malpass, World Bank Chief. World Bank. Antonio Guterres, United Nations Chief. And United Nations headquarters is New York. This question has been asked in where? In the RIMC exam that was held in 4th June. Next question. International Day of UN Peacekeepers is observed on. So the correct answer is option number C, that is 29th of May. And International Day of UN Peacekeeper, actually Indian Army, Indian citizens participates in this UN peacekeeping missions. Maximum strength is initiated by India. Okay, Indian citizens participate in the maximum numbers, and they are also known as blue helmets. Blue helmets. UN peacekeeper is also known as blue helmets. And what is the theme? People, peace, progress, the power of partnership. People, peace, progress, the power of partnership. Which state has become the first Indian state to roll out drone in healthcare? So the correct answer is Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand. And who is the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand? Pushkar Singh Dhami. Pushkar Singh Dhami. There are two capitals of Uttarakhand. One is Gairsand and another is Dehradun. India's first wind solar hybrid power plant is commissioned in. So India's first wind solar hybrid power plant is commissioned in Jaisalmer. The correct answer is Jaisalmer. Okay. Jodhpur is blue city. Jaipur pink city. Ajmer, there is a very important festival, that is Pushkar Fair. Pushkar Fair. Okay. Next question. IPL title 2022 won by which team? Very important question. So IPL means Indian Premier League title 2000 won by Gujarat Titans. And this team was entered first time in the league, and they have won their first title, that is IPL title 2022. And which team they defeated? They defeated Rajasthan Royals. Rajasthan Royals. So there are total There are total 15 sessions till now. 15 sessions till 2022 has been held of IPLs, and first session was won by Rajasthan Royals. The current session is the current title holder is Gujarat Titans. Most number of titles won by Mumbai Indians. Most number of titles. Okay, and who was the actually yes, there are certain information that I want to give. Orange Cup holder, Orange Cap, sorry, Orange Cap, Orange Cap is given to that batsman, that's batter who has the maximum, who hit the maximum runs. Okay, so Orange Cap winner was Josh Butler. Purple Cap, Purple Cap is the player who took the maximum wicket, that is Yajuvendra Chahal. Yajuvendra Chahal. Yajuvendra Chahal. Okay, and the winner was Gujarat Titan. The runner-up team was Rajasthan Royals, and the final was held at PM Modi, Narendra Modi Stadium, Ahmedabad. Okay, Narendra Modi Stadium. The final was held this stadium. Okay, this is the world's largest cricket stadium. Sri Lily festival is celebrated by the people of which state? So it is celebrated by the people of Manipur. Spanish Grand Prix 2022 won by Max Verstappen. Max Verstappen. Direct question. World No Tobacco Day is observed on 31st of May. 31st of May. And what is the theme? Yes, theme is very important. Protect the environment. Protect the environment. Which state will launch India's first state-owned OTT platform? OTT is over the top. Over the top. Like as Netflix, Amazon Prime. Over the top. So which state will launch? That is Kerala. Kerala capital is Thiruvananthapuram, and what will be the name of OTT platform? C-Space. And Pinarayi Vijayan is Chief Minister of Kerala. Arif Muhammad Khan is the governor. Who is the author of the Listen to Your Heart, The London Adventure? So the author is Ruskin Bond. Gitanjali series Tomb of Sand. Today's burning question, and in RIMC exam it has been known 2 to 3 questions came from our burning questions. So you cannot escape burning questions. Which is the Japan's highest mountain? You have to tell which is the Japan's highest mountain. This is the burning question. This is our RIMC foundation batch. You can enroll in this if you want to ace the RIMC exam that held in December session. Recorded courses. These are our test series. If you like the video, share it, and subscribe the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, because we provide the continuous current affair in a constant manner, weekly basis, and maximum current affair came from our videos. I have uploaded the video in which you can notice the maximum current affair from which video the question came. I have uploaded the exact screenshot of that particular video. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can call on this number. These are our question numbers. So student, all the best. Thanks for watching.